So we made this series, a 5-part series, which is fascinating. That it doesn't speak about. It's not about. You know what I want from you? You better keep Shabbos, or there's a big Gehenna. More Shem Alekecha Shem Ki Im Liyidu Hashem Alekecha. Okay, Yidas Hashem. Now each one requires a full share. We'll have a full episode of Mitzvah Hashem in Israel.
Okay.
Ki Im Liyidu and Lo Leches Bechol Deduchav, go in His ways.
Okay.
Whatever that means. Ela Hava Oisoi, and to love Him.
Okay.
Ela Avdoi Bechol Levavchem, to serve Him with all your heart, whatever that means.
These are all different things.
Yeah.
And
that's
this
the end of the
particular
pasuk.
order.
This order, I'm telling you the order. And that's
Where's the fifth thing?
That's the end of the pasuk. The next pasuk is Lishmor des Mitzvahs Hashem. Oh, you also have to do mitzvahs. It's like the fifth, the last, and also and Lishmor des Mitzvahs Hashem, to do all the mitzvahs l'toivlach, because it's good for you. So what did we do? We did, instead of all first four, we only focus on Lishmor. Why? Because you're going to go to Gehenna if not. And so the Torah says, forget. The Torah says, 1 second. You know what Daibisha wants from you? Yidas Hashem, leches v'chal deduchav, love Him, serve Him with all your heart, and of course you can't just, as they call it, Yehudi Balev.
Right.
You can't just, or I call it a cardiac Jew.
Structure.
You got to actually do things. But I want you to know the doing is because the tovlach. Because Shabbos is for your favor. Even Shatnez is for your. Why? I don't. We could go through. We can have a 613-part series, but everything is the tovlach. So I'm saying not just we don't teach Ahavas Hashem and Yidas Hashem. We teach doings because there's a big Gehenna. The Torah says the doings because it's the tovlach. So that's where we begin.